In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Photopea to create a stunning mock-up design. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the simple process of transforming your designs into a professional-looking presentation. So let's get started. First, we need to navigate to Photopea. Photopea is a free, web-based photo editing tool that is incredibly versatile and user-friendly. It's a great alternative to more complex software like Photoshop, and it's perfect for quick tasks without needing to download anything. Open your preferred web browser and type Photopea in the search bar, then click on the first link. Now that you're on the Photopea homepage, let's move on to the next step. Once you're there, look at the top menu where you'll find various options. Here's where the magic begins. Go to the Select menu and choose Subject. Selecting the subject is an essential step as it helps the tool identify the main focus of your image. It uses AI to determine what the primary object or person in your image is and will automatically create a selection around it. This feature can save you a lot of time, especially when dealing with busy backgrounds or trying to isolate complex shapes. After you've selected your subject, it's time to incorporate your design. Head over to the File menu on the top left corner of the screen and click on Open in Place. This function allows you to select your design file from your computer and integrate it into the current project. It's a crucial step for creating your mockup because this is where your design gets into the scene and starts coming to life. Once you've placed your design, you may notice that some adjustments are necessary to perfect it. For this purpose, you'll want to use an adjustment layer. On the right-hand side, look for the Layers panel. This is one of the key features of Photopea. Click to add a new adjustment layer. Adjustment layers are incredibly useful. They let you tweak the opacity, contrast, brightness, or apply various filters without changing the original image. This gives you greater flexibility to experiment and find just the right look you desire without permanently altering your design. And just like that, you're done. With these simple steps, you've successfully utilized Photopea to create a polished mock-up design. Whether for presentations or client previews, you now have the skills to present your work in the best possible light. Remember, practice and experimentation are key when working with design tools. The more you play around with Photopea, the more confident you'll become in creating stunning visuals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy design tips and tricks. See you in the next video.